School teaches to overcome challenges of life. The sudden and dangerous challenge of fire can be overcome by right information, right direction, and right preparation. Important steps include, without nervousness, disciplined exit to pre-decided safe location, helping trapped persons, giving medical aid, ensuring attendance of all and arrangement of transportation. We have to overcome risk of fire. Preparedness of teachers and students ensures safety in fire incidents.
No one can predict a mishap accurately. But preventive measures can help us reduce their effects considerably. Fire often causes maximum damage to children, physically disabled people, women, and elderly. So, save them on a priority basis. It's not just important to have firefighting equipment in every building, but it's also important to organize firefighting drills every 3 months so that they could be used effectively if needed. People living in buildings must know the measures to prevent fires, and one must ascertain one's responsibilities in the event of fire.
We have fixed our respective responsibilities. Have you done it?
Fire is a threat to life and property, so in its use, we must ensure safety.
Who has lit the stove on the road?
It's me. And it not on the road, but at my door. What's your problem?
The curtain on your door is hanging very close to the flames of the stove. When fire spreads, it doesn't choose between your house and mine, but it burns out the whole establishment. In most of the slums, fire spreads because of human negligence, like constructing house with inflammable objects such as grass, hay, and plastic, making electricity connection in slums with loose and naked wires, leaving the stove burning even after cooking food, burning crackers near the slums. Our little carelessness can cause fire, lighting fire inside our house or near to it, carelessly throwing around live matchstick, cigarette or beady buds, lighting fire ignoring the cattle hay around, leaving the blaze without putting off the fire after cooking in open place, lighting oil lamp on the roof or at the top of the house. Take precautions and prevent fire. In case of fire, dial 101 and inform immediately.
My friend had a 300-bed hospital where patients got a new lease of life. He was very famous. But one day everything was reduced to dust. I wish he had done fire safety management like I have done. To avoid short circuit, he should have installed fire-resistant cables in MCBs, fire safety equipment, fire alarm. Trained safety officer should have been appointed. Fire exit door should have been made. Training should have been imparted to the staff and mock drill should have been conducted from time to time. He could have saved his hospital and patients' lives, both from the dreaded danger, if he had adopted all the fire safety rules.
Do not make any such mistake. Take a step forward in ensuring fire safety precautions in the hospital. After all, safety comes first.
Raging fire in the factory. Goods worth in lakhs were destroyed.
Dad, is our factory safe from fire?
Yes, absolutely safe.
But how?
Because the electrical equipment of a factory are ISI marked. Load is divided properly and wiring is safe.
And?
There are trained electricians for electrical maintenance. There is enough space to take care of raw material and store finished product.
Anything else?
Yes, The passage is hindrance-free. As the factory is away from residential area, there is no risk to ordinary people. Besides, there is enough fire safety arrangement in the factory as per the guidelines. The employees are also trained for firefighting. Now you tell me the phone number of fire brigade.
The number is 101, means 101.
Good.
Safety for life and property, safety from unwanted fire.
Be enthusiastic, but be careful.
Be enthusiastic, but be careful.
Be enthusiastic, but be careful. Be enthusiastic, but be careful. Can anyone explain this?
May I, sir?
Okay, go ahead.
We should celebrate Diwali enthusiastically, but we should be careful to avoid causing a fire.
The child is wise. But do you know what precautions are to be taken on Diwali?
On the occasion of Diwali, keep inflammable material away from the puja area. Light candles and lamps in a safe area. Children should light fireworks under the supervision of elders. While lighting fireworks, keep a bucket full of water handy. Avoid wearing synthetic clothes on Diwali. Make sure that the decorative lights do not cause a short circuit.
Avoid any untoward incident. Always follow fire safety precautions.
Issued in public interest by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India.
Miss Meena, you are playing an actress in this film. You go to a cinema hall with your boyfriend to watch your own film. Suddenly, a fire breaks out. Your boyfriend runs away from there, but you are...
Just a minute. How did the fire start? Was someone smoking there?
No.
So, was there any inflammable material lying around?
No.
Wasn't there any firefighting equipment, water or sand-filled fire buckets?
Ma'am, it is in the film.
Well, in that case, there can't be a fire. And it can't spread either. Mr. Director, your story has no logic.
Maybe the story has no logic, but the fact remains that there should be adequate firefighting equipment in every cinema hall and auditorium.
In every cinema hall, the exit door should be clearly marked. First-hand firefighting equipment and the staff should be well-trained.
In case of a fire, never create a stampede.
Issued in public interest by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India.
Fun, frolic, and happiness. Happiness that compounds the more you share it. But what if these cherished moments turn into an ugly fire hazard within the confines of your tent or shamiana?
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Well, the knowledge of fire can save us from its wrath.
Call up the fire brigade immediately. Open all the outlets of the tent. Dislodge all electrical connectivities. Remove all inflammable items from the tent. In one corner of the tent there is water. Throw the water into the raging fire.
Fire can kill. Thus, prudence lies in prevention of fire hazards. When disaster strikes, the fireman is always by your side.
School, the most beautiful place where one learns the art of living a better life. School, must be a safe place for children. Have you ever paused to think about fire safety in schools? Laboratories that contain inflammable material and chemicals should be placed in independent blocks. Install small circuit breakers or earth leakage circuits in every circuit. Do not use inflammable material anywhere in the school. All school employees, teachers, and older students should know how to use fire hydrants, hose reels, fire extinguishers, water and sand buckets to extinguish a fire. In case of fire, break the manual call breaker. May they enjoy their flights of fancy, untouched by flames. May our determined efforts safeguard our children from fire.
I am undesirable, uncontrollable fire. Knowing or unknowing, carelessly kindle the fire. Fire, fire, fire. Protect yourself from me. Save yourself from me. In case of fire, do not use the lift. Immediately leave the building through the escape route, stairs, or any other safe route. If surrounded by smoke, crawl along the floor. Be sure to close the fire smoke check door. To extinguish fire, use fire extinguisher or fire hydrant. In case of fire, call fire service at 101. I have no desire for man to cling to flames. I have no desire for man to die in flames. Man will save himself when he protects himself from fire. Let's save ourselves from fire, or no one escapes from fire. Fire, fire, fire.
When you go to a shopping mall, keep an eye on the firefighting facilities available. There should be a lot of parking space at the mall. No items should be kept at the staircase so that in an emergency, people can come out immediately. Never leave the electric wires exposed. Firefighting facilities should be available at the mall. They should be regularly tested for the proper functioning. In case of a fire, dial 101 immediately so that rescue operations can be started to save the loss of lives and property. Immediate rescue operations will stop or minimize the loss of lives and property.
Issued in public interest by Fire Cell, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India.
First, bring that food. See the result of your carelessness with gas. See the result of playing with electricity with naked wire. See where have you reached due to your carelessness. You finished even your last lifeline.
I will not commit such mistakes. Please leave me, sir.
Don't play with fire. It's dangerous. Issued in public interest by Fire Cell, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India.
What is this?
It is the era of democracy, sir. A lot of people are being trained in a lot of things.
Oh, now I understand. So you are being trained to hold ears through legs. But why so?
It's the age of fire safety, sir.
Fire safety? What is that?
You are going to the principal's room. You could ask for yourself.
Aren't you concerned about the safety of your child? Have you ever tried to find out whether the place where your child spends more than half the day is prone to fire hazards? Before you gauge the educational standards of the school, you should gauge its fire preparedness measures.
When child safety is secured, you stay assured.
Issued by Fire Cell, Ministry of Home Affairs in public interest.